Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be learning how to make these super cute and easy hearts. A really great scrap yarn project, and you can definitely make it in under an hour. Let's go. So this is a great scrap yarn project. Go ahead and grab whatever hook and yarn you like. But in this tutorial, exactly what I used was a 4.25mm hook alongside with big twist yarn. And you'll also need a pair of scissors. To get started, we're going to make a slip knot. From here, we're going to chain 4. Now, you're going to insert your hook into the very first chain that you made, which is over here, and make a slip stitch. From here, we're going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to insert 12 double crochet into the same hole I just showed you. You're going to complete that for a total of 12 times, all into that same circle. While you're completing your double crochet, make sure that you're working in this tail end. I'll meet you back at the end of the row when we're done the rest of the 12 double crochet. So from here, we're going to slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet right here. So you're going to insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through to connect. And now we've completed a circle. This completes round 1. So from here, we're going to skip a stitch. So we're skipping this one right here. And then we're going to go into the next stitch, which is this one right here, with 8 triple crochet. Okay, so this is what it looks like once you've entered the 8 triple crochet all into one stitch. So we're going to work into the next stitch. Make sure your triple crochets are not covering it. So that's this stitch right here. Okay, in the next stitch, it is double crochet. And then in the next stitch, we're going to do a double crochet and a half double crochet in the same stitch. So this stitch right over here. So that's double crochet and a half double crochet. So in the next stitch, you're going to insert 2 half double crochets. In the next stitch, we have half double crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. Okay? And you can see we're coming to the point. This is like the round top, and this is like the point at the bottom. This is what it should look like at this point. So this is the halfway point. After this, you're going to chain 1. And in the next stitch, we're going to start creating the other half of the heart. So to do that, you basically copy what we did over here because it's symmetrical, but we just do it in the reverse order. So you're going to do a double crochet in the next stitch, alongside with a half double crochet in the same stitch, then 2 half double crochets in the next stitch, then a half double crochet in the next stitch with a double crochet in the same stitch, then in the next stitch a double crochet, and now we're back where we started. So now in the next stitch, we're going to do 8 triple crochet, all in the next stitch. So all 8 of them go in the same exact stitch. Okay, and when you finish your 8 triple crochet, you should have something that looks like this. And there's actually 2 stitches left, okay? So we're going to skip the first stitch and we're going to slip stitch into this one, the second stitch, okay? So skip one stitch and slip stitch. Into slip stitch, you just insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through both loops. So now the heart is done. It's so pretty. What you want to do is chain up one and kind of leave some extra yarn, and you're going to cut the yarn and pull on what we just cut to fasten off, and then you'll have a heart. You'll have something that looks like this. And there you have it, a completed heart. I would love your feedback on this tutorial, basically taking the slower beginner friendly version and using that same footage and turning it into a more intermediate level tutorial or a faster tutorial. Let me know if this was useful and if I should continue doing it, or if just the one video is fine, and let me know which one you prefer, the one at this speed or the one at the slower speed. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.